The partial destruction of a vital Bailey Bridge at Kradati district, allegedly overholding re-elections to a student body election, has garnered widespread condemnation in the state. As per reports, the Bailey Bridge over the Kumei River near Dha Hills in Gangte circle of Kradati district was allegedly damaged by student activists on Thursday. The incident was reportedly linked to tensions surrounding the re-election of the All Palain Chambam Yangte Gangte Tarak Langdi Students Union or APCYGTSU. To stop the election team and delegates who were supposed to visit Gangte for holding the elections, student groups allegedly damaged the bridge. The election was scheduled from 20 to 23rd of June. However, the re-election process has been temporarily suspended by the district administration until conflicts are resolved. According to police reports, 6 steel plates were removed from the bridge, disrupting traffic and indicating an attempt to hinder delegates traveling for the re-election. Meanwhile, the bridge was temporarily restored by PWD Palin Division on Friday. Meanwhile, the Nishi Elite Society has condemned the partial destruction of the bridge, which serves as the lifeline for the people of Gangte, Lower Chambang Administrative Circle and adjacent areas. This has significantly disrupted the smooth flow of traffic in the regions. NES has also appealed the district collector and superintendent of police of the concerned district to apprehend the wrongdoers and award an exemplary punishment to deter the recurrence of such acts in future. All right, now I'm being joined live with my colleague Marina Dai from Itanagar. So, Marina, the vital Bailey Bridge has been temporarily restored for the time being by PWD Palin Division. But my question to you, how long will it take for the complete restoration of the bridge?
Well, Priya, first of all, let me tell you that when this incident took place, actually, a day ago, that is on 20 June, a group of a certain union, their region were supposed to happen in Karada district, and within the party, within the group, they had some arguments and some conflict regarding the re-election. Some section of the group of member do not want the re-election to happen, and that those opposed union members they damaged the main lifeline bridge to Gangte circle. As we can see in the screen, that they at least took out 6 steel plate from the bridge and bridge. This serves as a lifeline to the people of Gangte. This is the only bridge that connects Kume district to the rest of the other part of Arunachal, to the Gangte circle and to Kume, and also to the Kume district. So as you can see, this happened on 20 of June, and the re-election of this certain union was supposed to be, conducted from 20 to 23. But as you can see, that due to this certain damage that made by this certain group of union, even the re-election has been cancelled, has been called off, and as far as your question is concerned, the restoration process has been started, the main restoration process, but at the same, but for meantime, the concerned authorities of the district has restored the bridge for temporary. The people can now, the people of the Gangte circle can use these. Have a temporary bridge for now, and at the meantime, the bridge is also, the main restoration process of the bridge is also underway. Yes, Priya.
So, Marina, the partial destruction of the bridge has garnered widespread condemnation in the state. So, any reaction coming in from the students, activists?
Well, Priya, yes, we try to connect with some of the student members who to the student members who are involved in this damage. We try to connect with this, and also, but today we could not get it, maybe due to some network connection since they are in Kurung Kume district right now, which is very it's an interior district and where network is also an issue there. So we could not connect them. But at the same time, today the Nishi Elite Society, an apex organization body of the Nishi community, today condemned this incident as we have seen that they have completely damaged one of the a bridge that is completely playing as a lifeline to the Gangte circle. So the Nishi Elite Society today they condemned this incident and also requested the union that is involved in this incident that to conduct their election in a to conduct their election in a smooth manner and not to involve any kind of destruction and also yeah and also not to create any law and order situation. Yes, Priya.
Yes, Marina, as you already mentioned that the Nishi Elite Society, they condemned the incident and they also appealed the district collector and superintendent of police of the concerned district to apprehend the wrongdoers. So, anyone detained till now?
Well, Priya, about it, no one has detained yet, but yes, police has already registered a case regarding the incident. They have registered a case in the Palin police station, but so far no one has been detained yet, Priya.
Right, Marina Dai, thank you so much for all those details.